Hey travel fam! Ever been halfway across the globe, ready to conquer that must-see monument, only to realize you're fresh out of local currency? Been there, done that, multiple times. It can seriously put a damper on your adventure. But what if there was a way to ditch the bulky wallet full of cash and traveler's checks, and instead, use a single card that works almost anywhere in the world? Enter YouTrip, the travel card claiming to be your all-in-one travel companion. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, the question on everyone's mind is, can YouTrip actually replace your ATM card? Let's dive deep and find out. The allure of YouTrip, convenience at your fingertips. YouTrip boasts a sleek phone app that lets you manage your travel funds on the go. Load it up before your trip, ditch the hefty exchange fees at airports, and enjoy real-time exchange rates. Sounds like a win-win. They also claim worldwide ATM access, which is a game-changer for those unexpected situations. But hold on a sec, are there any hidden costs lurking behind this travel convenience? The ATM question, can YouTrip truly replace your card? Here's the deal, YouTrip works best for spending at stores and online transactions that accept MasterCard. That means you can snag souvenirs, pay for meals, and book tours with ease. However, ATM withdrawals are a different story. YouTrip charges a flat fee for each withdrawal, which can vary depending on the region. While some travelers might find this acceptable, others might prefer the flexibility and potentially lower fees of a dedicated ATM card. The verdict, YouTrip a handy companion, but not a complete replacement. So, can YouTrip replace your ATM card entirely? Not quite. It shines as a convenient spending tool, but for those times you absolutely need cash, a good old-fashioned ATM card might still be necessary. Here's the best approach. Combine YouTrip with a low-fee ATM card for a travel money management dream team. YouTrip for everyday spending, and your trusted ATM card for cash withdrawals when needed. Remember, travel planning is all about being prepared. Do your research on YouTrip's fees and ATM access in your destination countries. This way, you can pack light, spend smart, and avoid any unnecessary cash crunches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.